Castletown, Montana, located just south of White Sulphur Springs, is a ghost town with marmots as the only inhabitants of the decaying buildings. Once home to Calamity Jane before she returned to Deadwood, South Dakota, the camp started in 1882 when prospector Hanson Barnes discovered silver in the area. The North Carolina mine was the first to open in 1884, but the most prosperous was the Cumberland mine, which began excavating lead and employing miners until the town boomed to almost 2,000 people with a school, numerous merchants, a jail, 7 brothels, and 14 saloons. Castle's main problem was a lack of transportation. All ore and supplies were transported 100 miles south to the Yellowstone Mines smelter. The Cumberland mine built its own smelter in 1891, and the operation became the largest producer of lead in the state. However, mine owners were unable to get a spur to the town from the Montana Railroad, added before the Silver Panic of 1893, which caused the miners to begin leaving.